everyone, it's Jordan, and today we will continue our study of questions. If you remember, there are two types of questions, yes/no questions and WH questions. This lesson will focus on WH questions in the simple present with do and does. Let's begin with our subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. To ask a WH question, you first add the WH word, who, what, where, when, why, and how. Then you add the do or the does. For example, who do I? What do you? Where does she? When do we? And why do they? After the subject, you then add the base form of the verb. For example, who do I talk to? What do you do for work? Where does she study? When do we go for lunch? And why do they think that? You'll notice that WH questions also have a different intonation. Yes/no questions have a rising intonation. For example, are you from Canada? However, WH questions have what we call a falling intonation. For example, where do you live? Let's practice. Repeat after me and then give your responses in the comments below. Who do you talk to every day? What do you like to do? Where do you live? When do you go to sleep? Why do you follow English with Thai UIC? Thanks for watching today. In our next video, I'll be discussing WH questions with the verb to be. See you then.